Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Experience Credit Builder. It's going to be a quick video, but first up let me tell you what Experience Credit Builder is. So Experience Credit Builder is a tool that allows you to build credit by reporting positive payment history to the three major credit bureaus. Now, when it comes to how to use Experian Credit Builder, what you would need to do is to go to the Experian website and sign up for Credit Builder. Now, you want to link a bank account to Credit Builder to make payments, and then just make payments on time to demonstrate positive payment history. And then you can monitor your credit reports to see the positive payment history being reported. Now, there are some requirements for Experience Credit Builder. The first is age, so you must be at least 18 years old to use Credit Builder. You also must be a US resident to use Credit Builder, and of course you must have a valid bank account to link to Credit Builder. So when it comes to fees for Experian Credit Builder, the first thing to note is that there are no upfront fees to use Credit Builder, and but you are going to need to make monthly payments to demonstrate positive payment history, and that's pretty much all the requirements. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. That's all the info I got for you. If you liked the video, if you found it useful, then like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friend, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.